Welcome student. I am Mr. Abhijit Bambre, working as assistant professor at Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Jawhar. Welcome you again. Student, in chemistry paper first, unit second, that is atomic structure, in that unit, in last video we discussed Rutherford atomic theories. Today we are going to start with new topic, that is drawbacks of Rutherford's theories and atomic structure. Let's move. See here, Rutherford experiment. He took a source of alpha particle, then he bombarded the alpha particle on the metal foil, that is gold metal foil. Some are scattered and most of particle are passed straight through the foil. Next, Rutherford scattering. In 1990, Rutherford undertook a series of experiments. He fired alpha particle at a very thin sample of gold foil. According to the Thomson model, the alpha particle would only be slightly deflected. Rutherford discovered that were deflected through large angle could even be reflected straight back to the source. Actually, Rutherford undertook a series of experiments. He took a source of alpha particle and he took a gold foil, thin gold foil. He bombarded alpha particle on a gold foil. Some are scattered, some are passed straight line, and some are reverse back to the source. Some are reverse back to the source. He observed most of alpha particle pass through the foil are undeflected. Some alpha particles are deflected slightly as they penetrate the foil, and some are greatly deflected. He also observed a similar or a small number do not penetrate the foil at all but are reflected back toward the source. Actually, he bombarded the alpha rays on a gold foil. Here, some of alpha rays are passed through the foil, some are alpha rays are deflected, some are greatly deflected, and some are reversed back to the source. He observed that and note. Then he interpret it. If an atom of the foil have a massive positively charged nucleus and light electron outside the nucleus, one can explain an alpha particle pass through an atom undeflected. Those are undeflected. Then an alpha particle is deflected slightly as it passes near the electron. Third one, an alpha particle is strongly deflected by passing close to the atomic nucleus, and alpha particle bounce back to the approaches they are nucleus head on. Is actually Rutherford theories. Drawbacks of Rutherford atomic structure. Rutherford model was discover the nature of atom, but behavior of electron remain unexplained. Is main drawback of the Rutherford atomic structure. Rutherford model was discover nature of the atom. They discover nature, how the atom are, but behavior of electron remain unexplained in the Rutherford theories. Then planet concept of Rutherford's atomic structure could not ensure stability of atom. Is a drawback of a Rutherford atomic structure. Then both nucleus and electron are charged bodies. Hence, such a arrangement cannot remain stable. Here Rutherford are failed to explain the stability. According to electronegative theory, such a rotating electron will radiate energy continuously in the form of electromagnetic waves. Speed of electron will reduce slowly and they follow the spiral path of steady. Here also Rutherford failed to explain the path. Rutherford failed to explain the behavior of electron. Planet concept of Rutherford atomic structure could not be ensure stability of atoms. Both nucleus and electron are charged bodies, hence such a arrangement cannot be remain stable. According to electromagnetic theory, such a rotating electrons will radiate energy continuously in the form of electromagnetic waves. Speed of electron will reduce slowly and they follow the spiral path of steady. These are drawbacks of Rutherford atomic structure. Next, what is atomic structure? What is atom? Atom are composed of proton. Atom are composed of neutron and electron. Atom are composed of proton, neutron and electron. What is proton? Proton is positively charged particle. Proton is positively charged particle. Neutron is neutral particles, whereas electrons are negatively charged particle. Proton and neutron are located in the nucleus, are found in orbitals surround the nucleus. Atoms are composed of proton, neutron and electron. Proton is positively charged particle, whereas neutron is negatively charged particle. Neutron is neutral particle and electron is negatively charged particle. Proton and neutron are located in the nucleus. Proton and neutron are located in the nucleus. Electron are found in orbital surrounding the nucleus. Next, see here helium atom. Proton and neutron are located in the nucleus. Here is a nucleus, right? And electron are surrounded. Electron are surrounded the nucleus. Next, atomic structure. Every different atom has a characteristic number of proton in the nucleus. Every different atom has a characteristic number of proton in the nucleus. What is atomic number? Atomic number is equal to number of proton. Atom with the same atomic number have the same chemical properties and belong to the same element. Atomic number is equal to number of proton. Each proton and neutron has a mass of approximately 1 dalton. Mass of approximately 1 dalton. The sum of proton and neutron is the atom's atomic mass. What is atomic mass? The sum of the addition of proton and neutron is the atomic mass. Then what is isotope? What is isotope? Atoms of the same element. Atoms of the same element that have different atomic masses. Number due to different number of neutron are called as isotope. Atomic mass means a sum of proton and neutron, means addition of proton and neutron is the atom's atomic mass. Then isotopes are atom of the same element that have different atomic mass. number due to different number of neutron are called as isotope. Atomic structure, atomic number, the number of proton, here the helium atom, the number of proton in a atom. Then what is atomic number? The number of proton in a atom. Then what is atomic mass? The number of proton and neutron in the atom. Next, atomic number is denoted by capital Z and mass number is denoted by capital A. Here atomic number means a number of proton in a nucleus and it is denoted by Z, whereas mass number is a number of proton plus number of neutron, is a number of proton or number of A is a mass number denoted by capital A, number of proton plus a number of neutron is equal to mass number, and that is denoted by A. Isotopes are atoms of a same element, here example X, with a different number of neutron in the nucleus. Here see, here there is general example. Suppose X is an element, it is an symbol for a, it is an symbol for a element or element symbol. Here A is a mass number and Z is a atomic number, right? Isotope, what isotope definition say? Are isotope are atoms of the same element, with a different number of neutron in the nucleus. See here example, having a, here see atomic number Z plus a number of neutron, right? See here example of isotope hydrogen, and here the example is there is a change in mass number and here atomic number is same but mass number is changed because mass number is addition of number of proton and number of neutron. Got it? What is isotope? Isotope are atom of the same element with a different number of neutron in the nucleus. Here uranium atom, see here A is denoted by mass number and Z is denoted by atomic number. Here mass number is 235 and atomic number is 92, whereas here mass number is 238 and atomic number is 92, is an example of isotope, uranium isotope. Got it? Thank you. We will stop here.